So, in this example number 2, we are going to solve -7 less than 4x plus 1 less than or equal to 23. So, -7 less than 4x plus 1 less than or equal to 23. So, -7 less than or equal to 4x plus 1 less than or equal to 23. Now, the solution starts. So, whereas to solve the linear inequation which is -7 less than or equal to 4x plus 1 less than or equal to 23, which is the given inequality or the given inequation. So, first of all, we have to make x as the subject, or we have to make x coefficient as 1. So, here x is multiplied by means of 4, its coefficient is of 4 and it is attached, I mean added with 1. So, first of all, we have to remove this 1. In order to what I say eliminate, or in order to what I say cancel this 1, we have to subtract 1. So, already it is of plus 1, when we subtract 1, so plus 1 minus 1 will be gets cancelled. So, here that implies -7 less than or equals to, so within the bracket, that is 4x plus 1 is the middle one. So, here I am going to subtract 1 in the entire inequation. So, I want to subtract 1 throughout the inequation. So, less than or equals to 23 minus 1. So, in this manner as I have subtracted 1 from each and every term or each and every inequality sign is. So, here in this manner I got this logical step by subtracting 1 from the inequality. So, when we subtract 1 from the middle one, we have to subtract even from the ends also. So, here that implies by further simplification. So, minus of minus is of plus, we have to add up 7 and 1, 7 plus 1 is of 8. To assess the sign here, among 1 and 7, 7 is greater, its sign is of negative. So, 8 assess the sign of negative. So, here less than or equal to, so plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancels in the middle. So, here middle term, then now only 4x is left over, then less than or equals to, so 1 is of negative and 23 is of positive, plus into minus is of minus, we have to subtract. So, greater minus least, 23 minus 1 is of 22. To assess the sign of 22, so among 1 and 23, 23 is greater, its sign is of positive. So, 22 assess the sign of positive. The latter, so as per the rule of the solving of inequation of one variable, so we have to make the x coefficient, variable's coefficient as 1, but the variable that is x coefficient is of 4. So, in order to cancel up the 4, so we have to divide the entire inequation or the inequality by means of 4. So, here, so that implies -8 is divided by means of 4, which is the coefficient of x, less than or equals to 4x divided by 4 and less than or equals to 22 divided by 4. So, I got this logical step by dividing. So, here dividing the inequality throughout, inequality by means of 4. So, dividing the complete inequality by means of 4, I got this logical step. Then I have further simplification, 4 and 4 gets cancelled, 4 1s and 4 1s. So, we can cancel up here 4 1s, 4 2s. So, here we can cancel up 2 2s and 2 11s, that is 11 by 2. So, in this manner I got -2 is less than or equals to x less than or equals to 11 divided by 2. The next logical step will be of -2. So, that implies -2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to, so 11 divided by 2 is the solution set. So, in this manner we got the solution set as so that implies minus 2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to. So, here 11 by 2 can be written as, so when we divide 11 by means of 2 we will get 5.5. But here as per the problem, so here x is belonging, so as per the problem here x is belonging to the integers set. So, here integers are off, so here that implies, so minus 2 less than or equals to, so integers set which are in between, so here minus 2 and as well as 5.5 which is of positive, so are off. So, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, then now 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and 5, then comes to 5.5. So, less than or equals to 5.5. So, here these are the values which are in between minus 2 and as well as plus 5.5. So, here let us check out, minus 2 is less than minus 1 and this minus 1 is also less than 5.5. So, here minus 2 is less than 1 and 1 is less than 5.5. Minus 2 is less than or equals to 4. And as well as so these are the solutions of the x value. So, in this manner I say here solution set. Therefore, solution set is equals to, so solution set is of x is equals to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, now representing the solution set, that is x is equals to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on number line. So, here this represents the number line. So, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, this indicates 5.5. 5.5, then 6. Then now left sides are of what is a minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Then now in order to represent the solution set minus 1, so I am going to what I say represent by means of dark dots. So, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and as well as 5. So, here hence the solution set, that is x is equals to minus 1, 2, 5, that is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 are represented by dark dotted ones or dotted spots. So, in this manner we got the solution set as -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.